NinjaRMM's endpoint management platform gives you the visibility and control you need to remotely manage IT from a single pane of glass, making technicians more efficient, reducing management overhead, minimizing complexity, and allowing you to scale profitably. Ninja monitors all your Windows, Mac, Linux, and SNMP endpoints in real time. When a problem is detected, Ninja can automatically remediate the issue or notify a technician for triage. In-depth IT asset details are always available in a real-time dashboard or as a presentation-ready report at the click of a button. Take control of devices quickly and securely with one-click remote access. Remediate issues behind the scenes with powerful remote management tools and automate critical tasks such as patch management, backups, endpoint configuration, antivirus management, and more. Give end users secure access to their devices for remote access and file restore in our brandable end-user self-service portal. NinjaRMM provides 100% free and unlimited onboarding and training, flexible contracts, and no hidden fees. With an average customer satisfaction score of 98, our account management, training, and customer support teams are rated #1 year after year. Sign up for a demo today and see why over 5,000 MSPs and IT leaders have made the switch to NinjaRMM.